go. How you guys doing? Is the background sound too high? You gotta tell me, because I don't know. I don't know if the background sound is too high or not. We just had FOMC meeting, guys. The interest rate unchanged. Inflation down. Volatility up. Trading not advised. Mr. Mo Money, how you doing, man? Hi from Malaysia. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? Simply Human, we waited for like 30 seconds, bro. Fine. I mean, remember back in the day when you were waiting like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes? I mean, 2 minutes is nothing. 30 seconds is nothing. It's good. Be good. Bitcoin dump on the Bitcoin is dumping on the numbers. Why it says 9:15 when it's 8:15? I always have to change these time zones. I don't know, you know, why is it changing all the time? It's +2. There we go. Bitch just did a dump to 68, then back to 69. Yeah, 68.7. Right now is at 69.1. Zigzagging a little bit. This pattern up here is very common. So, yesterday we actually had a nice trade. By the way, our account size right now is at 247, 245. We started with 227. And yesterday, if you can see over here, this is our trade yesterday. From over here, give or take, all the way up there. That's the trade. And that was like 10% move. Technically 1% move, but it continue up here. But it's good that we close, because, you know, even though these were the highs up here at the top, you know, we would probably get, you know, a week out down here at this move towards downside. So, you know, we will probably, if I had kept the trade open longer and just waiting for these big moves, because, you know, my stop loss would be at my entry, so we will probably be weeked out, so, you know. But profits are profits, so that's nice. Du må sove, du kan ikke komme hit, pappa jobber. Ja, jeg går ned til mamma da. So, and right now, you know, the Inge is up like 20% or something like that. Just whenever there was a sharp dip. What do you mean sharp dip? Don't you know what's happened, man? Don't you know what's happened? We just got, you know, this FOMC meeting, and the rates are unchanged. Let me see over here. Right now, that's I'm ready for wife changing money. Alif only comes here when we are doing the trading stuff. Where is it? Give me something nice. Oh, I said 3 rate cuts. Mark pricing 2 rate cuts. Blah blah blah. FOMC.plot hawkish. Blah blah blah. I'm just reading a little bit on X and stuff that I hear. Last 3 FOMC moves. A move, B move, C move. A move, B move, C move. Fed holds benchmark rate at 525 target range, but big hawkish spy Fed median forecast shows 25 BPs rate cuts in 24 for 75. Extra wife for outdoors. Yeah, one has to stay at home with kids, and the other one is, you know, for show off. Good stuff, good stuff. So what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna trade today? Are we gonna go long, short? What are we gonna do today? Because, you know, I'm guessing, you know, 10% today as well. You know, we're not gonna overdo it, you know, so we just need a 10% move. Now there is a whole bunch of volatility going on right now, you know, prices going up, down like crazy, like a yo-yo. And if you're gonna short, we gotta find something on support. If you're gonna long, we gotta find something on the see this move towards downside. This looks very bullish, but I think a little bit up, a little bit down, so there is that. So we gotta find something that looks okay. +1, hope everybody's well. We are well. Hope you're doing well as well. Tron, although Tron is very bullish, you know, chart and stuff like that, it doesn't move that much. Tron is, you know, Tron is like Bitcoin. It moves like, you know, a couple of percentages here and there, but it's not actually that that volatile. We don't want something like crazy volatile that moves, you know, 2-3% in a second. But, you know, we don't want something that doesn't move at all either. And this move up here is going to go a little bit more down. How much is this towards downside over here? Are we going to trade 5 seconds moves? Are we going to trade 5 seconds move, guys? Why not, huh? I'm a little bit unsure whether we're going to trade 5 seconds moves. I don't think that's us. You know. That's not the thing that we do. So maybe we're gonna look at 1 hourly time frame and see, you know, what's this is actually quite bad. So I don't want to do that, at least not for long positions. I'm a little bit unsure whether I want to go long or short, because everybody right now says that this is, for some reason, you know, unchanged interest rate is bad because they said there will be 3 rate cuts, and right now we are looking at only 1 rate cut at most. So, you know. Ooh, not bullshitting off again, above 10 moving average over here. Let's look a little bit more what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin right now is pulling back a little bit, going up a little bit down. But, you know, not much actually changed. If you look at the bigger time frames over here, I mean, for like, you know, the dump wasn't actually that big. The dump was 1.55%. Imagine it's only having a 1.55% dump. I mean, we had a bigger pump after the numbers over here. I think it started over here. So when we got inflation numbers, we pumped like 3.84%. Right now we dumped only down like 1.5% on the rate cuts. Let's see what he says. Might be 2 rate cuts. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really interested in what he says, because then you have to analyze, you know, what he says. Let's just see what market does instead of, you know, what people say, because what people say doesn't matter. What matters is what market does. Now, best case scenario for Bitcoin is closing this bullish engulfing candle over here above the 10 moving average. I think that's the best case scenario right now. Closing above these lines, I think that's the best case scenario. Closing over here right above the resistance level, I think that's the best case scenario for Bitcoin. But this on the daily time frame, so, you know, we really don't care right now. Could have short Bitcoin over here right now. I don't think it's just gonna go in one move towards the upside over here. Why would it do that, right? Big move down, climbing slowly over here, losing momentum, breaks down. I think Jerome Powell opens his mouth, you see market shakes like crazy. Yeah. Every time that guy says something, man, every single time. Let's look at some altcoins over here. Cardano right now recovering as well. But let's go 4 hour. Let's see how it's actually playing out. So the 4 hour, I'm actually bullish, guys. I don't know if you are, but, you know, I'm bullish. Look at 1 hourly time frame over here, recovering nicely. But I think it's gonna drop though. You know, short term drop, but, you know, long term very bullish. I don't know. It's gonna take a while. Hope you guys are doing well. Of course, this is the, you know, trading challenge 227 to a million. These streams can take hours. We are only 12 minutes in. So, you know, relax, get something to drink. We're gonna see what we do. A 1 hourly closing in 37 minutes. Let's see 30 minutes charts. I mean, technically you can short this, right? Look over here, anchor. You can actually short this very easily. can get to like 1% up here, but you gotta go on the 1 minute time frame over here. Polkadot's actually doing nice over here. Wow, what happened to Polkadot in this move over here? Recovery 3%, man. Look at Polkadot go, man. Inch pop a lot, might retrace a bit. Yeah, that's a good call. But it already kind of did retrace a little bit over here. Let's see if 5 minute time frame is up here. It looks like it's gonna dump towards the downside. I don't know how much it's gonna dump, but you know, it might dump. But you know, the volatility is so high, man. You gotta do this on 1 minute time frame, because the volatility, like 1% over here, goes so fast. I think volatility is a little bit too high for 10x on inch. I mean, if you get it right, money. But if you get it wrong, bad feelings. But yeah, inch does look okay. So we should probably try to look out for some kind of, like this over here looks nice. This actually looks bullish, right? But I might do that. Yeah, the other thing I wanted to mention in this video is yesterday we talked a lot about these triple bottoms, if you remember, right? So over here yesterday, this is where we were trading. We're looking at this channel over here, and I was telling you that a lot of charts has these, you know, double bottoms, and right now doing this, and they have to have a third move towards the upside, right? And you can see that actually happened, right? So I wasn't wrong on that one. So we had these double bottoms, and I often see these double bottoms over here, and then you go towards the upside, and then you get this line over here, and then you do another one of these moves over here, and then you go towards the upside, right? And that actually happened on Cardano, and it happened on a couple other coins as well. This is Algo. You see double bottom up, he goes up here, and you have a big flash towards the downside and continues towards the upside. So I was correct on that one, so I do like that. I do enjoy being correct on patterns. This actually closed Cardano actually closed very nice. Managed to get it back above the moving averages over here. Consolidating up here right now. I think there might be a right now big pump towards the upside, because everybody's so bearish for some reason. Why you people bearish, man? Why you people bearish? Bullish candle up here. Maybe it can actually break these moving averages towards the upside. Ooh, double bottom over here on the daily. Is there a divergence up here? No, no divergence. No divergence, but double bottom. Look at these dodges on the bottom down there, chilies. How does this play out? There should be something like this, right? It looks a little bit too bullish. Maybe somewhere over here, down to the bottom down there. Yeah. Chili's does look bullish though. There is double bottom on the 200 moving average. Chili's does look bullish. But short term might actually pull down. So you never know. You never know, you never know. But right now there's so much volatility in everything. And we gotta find something that's, you know, calm. Like Polkadot, we can actually short Polkadot. But Polkadot looks very, very strong. Why is Polkadot strong over here? See this pattern down here? Yeah, there is also the double bottom and probably a bullish divergence. So it got a bullish divergence on the daily. It pumped on that, and right now explode towards the upside. So we can short the resistance, right? How much it is towards downside over here? If it breaks down, look at these green candles though. Look at the green candles, man. Look at the volume up here. I don't know what's happening with Polkadot, but you know, look at this down here. That seems nice. Too nice to short. TT over here 50 might actually pull back below that. I don't know about Polkadot. It looks strong, but it's at resistance over here on the small time frames, right? But it does look strong. Big dump recovery. We don't. It looks a little bit too strong to me. I don't know. Do we see anything over here? See the resistance levels on these major resistance level up here. It's above everything, like there is, you know, this one up here. See down here, I mean, it should dump down, but it's not dumping. And there is no overextensions or anything like that. What's Bitcoin doing? Pulling back, something like that. Doing this move towards downside, right? Cardano. I wish there was some kind of pattern over here right now, but here we go. He's getting ready to talk. Yeah, I don't care what he says, man. By the way, if the music is too loud in the background, you gotta tell me. I don't know. Shorting algo? No. At 15 minutes, like it does look bullish though. And I think it might even break up here towards the upside. Just kind of pushing it down. Why is it going up here? Why does it? Why does it want to break? Because if this move breaks down, like right now, I'm gonna try shorting Polkadot. I mean, technically I think we can. Too late. Too late, man. We've already been done with the stream. Every single time that... Okay, let's take a 5-minute break because I got mad. Because when we were up here at the top, I was like, you know what, in my head, I was like, I should take the trade right now. And then I waited, and then I was like, yeah, I should do it. And then it just goes too fast. Just goes too fast. So, first missed trade of the day. Thankfully, it wasn't missed trade, but I'm guessing it's probably because, you know, that JP guy said something. So there's that. Let's take a quick break. Wow. Now it's going up. It's using 10x or high. No, not 10x. Only 10x. 10x is fine. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's, you know, small trades. That would have been a nice short. Yeah, it would have been a nice short, but you know, stuff happens. 144%. That's 14%. Short term, short. But there is that. So what are we looking for now? So we missed that. That's fine. Let's move on. Move on with our life. Cannot sit and, you know, weep over trades. You miss something, there is always something else, guys. There is always something else. Just find something, because we are doing the, you know, 5 minutes time frame. Do you know how fast patterns happen on 5-minute time frames? So fast, so many time frames. Goes up, goes down, goes sideways, goes this, goes that. We're not looking for big moves, big trades. Just a little bit. I mean, we're not greedy. We just want a little bit, you know, 10%, 20% give or take, you know. Small moves, small trades. This is the worst invention for saving the environment ever. Like, I always have to do like this before I drink right now. Whoever invented this thing over here where I cannot take the cap off. There we go, this is better. See? This is how it should be. No, I'm not gonna lose the cap. It's okay. Recovery big time. How is Polkadot doing right now? Recovering instantly to the resistance level. I don't know what Powell is saying. Maybe you should listen to Powell. Maybe he says something, you know, bullish and bearish. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna read on X. You know, he always says something on X that's interesting. Powell will reduce interest rate once it appears that Bitcoin dominance is unsustainable at 60. Benjamin Cohen is funny, guys. Benjamin Cohen is funny. We will reduce interest rates once it appears that Bitcoin is dominance is on a stable bet 60%. If you don't know, Benjamin Cohen thinks that Bitcoin dominance is gonna go to 60%. And I think there is it could happen, but there is very little chance on that, especially since this line up here it says 58. I think, you know, if it goes up, it's gonna go up to the blue box, but I don't think 60% is gonna happen. But you know, there's the Burin. How you doing, man? The long-term hodler. This is the daily bullish engulfing 1 hourly time frame. Bullish engulfing on a 5 minutes time frame up here. Actually looks nice. I think everything is gonna go up right now. I think we can actually long this. Can we long this over here? This pullback over here. Because right now it's doing this move over here. Above the moving average, 1 minute time frame. It doesn't want to drop though. It doesn't want to drop. Volume on the up is way higher than the slow creep up. Not looking good. Volume on the dump was actually, you know, because it is higher volume because everybody was trading that move, and you know that's what happens. This move towards upside right now, even though it's you know, low volume and stuff like that, I think right now, especially over here, if it starts breaking this level up here towards upside, we might see some decent movements. You know, because all of these people are gonna get wrecked. A lot of people are short right now, I think. I'm saying I think because I don't know, but you know, from what I read on X, you know, my feeling is that a lot of people are short. I don't know. 3 rate cuts down to 1. Bullish. Uninteresting. Uninteresting. So this is also a problem when you break the resistance levels and you fail to pump. Sorry, this is bearish. So over here it should pump. So we can actually short this right now. Can we short this more? I mean, it wouldn't be the worst trade. What is Bitcoin doing? Bullish? Nothing. This is actually gonna go up. This is double bottom over here. On 5-minute time frame, we're bullish towards the bottom up here. This is rising towards the upside. I think this is gonna go towards the upside over here. Call me crazy. Call me crazy, but you know, that's what I think. But right now, it is pulling back. I think a lot of people are shorting because they do really want it to go down, but I don't think it's gonna go down. You know, I don't think it's gonna go down. Algo, Atom, AVEX. Where is Polkadot up here? See, resistance, and it's pulling back down over here again. Alright, trading every day at this time. Right now this is second day in a row, so we're gonna see maybe around this time, give or take. Because this fits me best, you know. I cannot do it in the morning, I cannot do it during the day. So, you know, around 7, 8 o'clock PM time, Europe, Central Europe time or something like that. Give or take. Ethereum Classic, right now everything pulling back down again. Rejected, rejected. Pulling back down, there is a resistance level up here. Probably got some kind of channel over here as well. This is not Ethereum, I think this is on everything right now. Is there a bearish engulfing? Is there a bearish divergence? Not bearish divergence up here. I think somebody said Hubar is actually bullish. I think I read somewhere that Hubar is bullish. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to crypto bubbles. Hourly. Daily. Ordi is down. Flocky is down by 13%. Let me look at Flocky. I'm also starting with $200. Thank you for the motivation. There you go. I'm glad I'm changing the world. Hopefully you don't become a degenerate gambler and lose all your house. Hopefully. Let's look at Flocky. Flocky minus 3% on the day. Oh yeah, so this over here, it says Flocky 13.7, but it's 13.7 in the last 24 hours. Not on the candle. Candle is not down, that much. Wow, this thing has been bleeding forever. This thing literally has been bleeding forever. Why is everything down? Bitcoin is up 2.2%. What you mean why everything is down? So right now it pulled back a little bit more down. What are we gonna long? Polkadot has this very nice, you know, nice consolidation phase up here at the top. Is there any divergence up here at the top? Yeah, there is bearish divergence up here. It's pulling back down right now. But there is bullish divergence down here at the bottom. What's the most you ever made from trading? Not much. I'm not a trader, man. I should probably write up here somewhere, you know, I'm not a trader. Any books for trading you can recommend? No. Just learn TA. You know, be emotional stable. And, you know, you'll do okay, I think. Emotional stability is the most important thing, I think. Like, if you can handle the feelings, I think you're gonna do fine. You know where the support is, you know where the resistance is, you short that, you long that, probability. Inch is down 13%, it just keeps on dumping, man. This is funk beating, it's just been dumping. Well, I failed already, I have no emotional stability, I'm a mess. There you go, man. It happens. You'll recover. Like 3% down, it just keeps on dumping. I should have listened at the start of the stream. Somebody said, yeah, you know, who was it? There, Mr. More Money, inch bumped a lot, maybe retrace a bit. Should have listened to him, man. Just shorted, you know, inch on the move. Kaspa is this nice, you know, nice channel towards that downside. So, you know, this might actually be a nice move towards the upside over here. So 50. What do you do for a living and do you find it difficult to trade and work? Dude, I'm not a trader, man. I just do YouTube. Like lines, up, down. I just started trading. I need to actually just start trading. I hate trading. I don't, you know, I'm not emotionally stable. Trading and me don't go hand in hand. I just do this, you know, because of the views. People like, you know, people trading live. So, you know, we do that. I'm investor. Well, I'm Warren Buffett. How is this gonna play out? I like this chart. I like this channel towards the downside. It's very, very... What are you gonna say? It's very... It's very pointy down. I thought it was 0 to a million. $1 to a million trading. It is 227. We started with 227. Now we're at 245. We are up. I'm good. How much was this move over here? 10% move. Do you see any kind of exhaustion over here? I like this move up here and this over here. I think this is coming to a bottom, I think. Where are the major support levels? Oh, that's a major support level. What's this? This is Kaspa. It is on the support level though. It is below the, you know, it picked up liquidity. If there was any kind of liquidity pick up down here, then it did that. It's 8 o'clock. This is the first move up here. Broke that. Right now doing this move over here. What's Bitcoin doing? Five minutes time frame. Hourly. 6 minutes until hourly close. $20 moving average. Daily pulling back. Thanks for the motivation from South Africa. I'll see you tomorrow. You're welcome, man. Just remember, take it easy. You don't have to take every trade. It's okay, man. There is always something at the bottom. There is always something at the resistance. You don't get one, you get another. Ooh, 5 minute time frame. Bitcoin. Doji. Pump. What are we looking at? Kaspa. How much is this on Kaspa? I think I want to long Kaspa. Is Kaspa on Bybit? Kaspa 017. Block. I would like some kind of Kaspa USDT Bybit. Kas. Still dumping down. Where is Bitcoin? Didn't Bitcoin is supposed to do a... Nah, there was no doji over here on the 5 minute time frame. There was no doji up here. Still bleeding down. Where is the supports? Where are the supports? Let's go to daily. Let's go to 4 hourly. 50 moving average over here. $10.20 and this one as well. 1 hourly, 5 minute. One minute. How do we get into, how do we make a channel out of this? Down here, 69. I don't see anything like pattern wise. I don't see anything. There are not variances up here, still pushing down. But I think it's getting close though. I think it's getting very, very close. I don't know, this seems very sketchy though. If it breaks down, then it's good. Do we have a 1 hourly close? 1 hourly close in 1 minute and 33 seconds. I like this, you know. How much down over here can we go actually? I think I want to do a long on Kaspa. Over here. This spot. Don't tell me this is spot, man. %, isolated, 10x buy long. Oh, wait for it. Nah, let's not wait for it, let's just go. Sorry I'm late, tech issues. There we go. And you know, once we go into trade, we do the 5-minute break because I cannot watch this, man. You know, mental stop loss. Let's just wait. How are we doing so far? We're stuck in 70k purgatory. Fictional place between heaven and hell. So far so good, but I'm a little bit unsure about this move. It is nice round. It's a 1 minute time frame. We need to pump more. Is Bitcoin pumpu? Bitcoin is pumpu. If Bitcoin breaks this line over here, then we're good. This looks like expanding musical instrument to me. Okay, where did we enter? We entered down here somewhere, right? So that was at 17,072. 17,072. That's where we entered. A long entry. And 1% up here. Wow, that's pretty high up. This should be our take profit target. At least. Good luck. The noob. How you doing, man? Ooh, that was a big dump. But it didn't break the 10 moving average. So we're gonna see if this can actually hold. What is his margin? 10x. Got rejected by nothing. It's gonna go the more down. Do we have any kind of divergence up here? Right now there is a slight divergence up here on the move. Not feeling very comfortable on the trade though, but we wait. It is in the liquidity zone though. It is going quite fast towards downside on 5 minute time frame. Just wait. Mental stop loss. If it breaks down, like we're gonna get liquidated at you know, 10%, 8% down or something like that over here. Down here is liquidation. Right, that's like 10x liquidation, give or take. So we're gonna see. Now we wait. Unfortunately, now we wait. What is Jerome Powell? I don't know what his name is. Jerome Powell, Jeremy Powell. What is he saying? Powell. Powell claims that inflation imposes hardship on Americans by eroding away their purchasing power. You don't say. Tyler says people are mega bearish on Bitcoin right now and are going to look dumber than the 10k callers looked. Do you guys remember when we were down at 10k? Sorry, 15k and people are calling for 10k? Powell, in the meantime, it's gonna be painful for people. Powell, we are in the phase of sticking with it until we get it done. What does that mean? Powell, you don't want to be too motivated by the single data point. What? Powell says, fortunately, we have a strong economy. I don't know about that, man. Powell, if you look back 5 to 10 years and try to find a significance of 125 basis point rate cut, you would have quite the job on your hands. So this looks like a failed trade because this over here should not happen. Right now, over here. Do we have still divergence up here on our hands? There might be divergence, there is no divergence. Still wait. Entry was terrible though. Bitcoin 235, not moving. best case scenario right now is this this move over here and does like, you know, towards upside, because we didn't have any, you know, technically, you know, Bitcoin didn't do any upside move. So if it goes up, a lot of people get wrecked. We are down by, you know, 12 bucks. Yeah, we are not gonna reach million anytime soon, guys. Unfortunately, not gonna reach million anytime soon. Let me see if the background music is fine. We have time, there is nothing else to do. Isolated. It's a little bit too high. Oh. I think it's a little bit too high. Maybe. Maybe something like this, I don't know. Is the music too high? I don't know, this looks like a better pattern up here on 1 minute time frame. So maybe there is a good chance it can actually, you know, just pop a little bit towards upside. It's been bleeding out to these levels over here. We just wait. I don't feel so good about a trade. So if you get the, you know, the 1% move towards upside, I'm taking profits so fast, it's gonna be insane. If you get a move up here towards the, you know, toward, I really don't care if it goes up after that towards the moon. But you know, I just want to take the like, I'm feeling so bad about the trade right now because it didn't pump over here. Like if this move had continued towards upside, you know, I might have let it go. But since it actually went down after that, I am, you know, very uncomfortable right now holding this over here right now. It's long entry. Of course, right now our long entry is acting as a resistance level, as you see over here. But it's like this pattern in 1 minute time frame. So we're gonna check it out. This best case scenario is just like, you know, a little bit move towards upside. I think we need to wait. 200 moving average on the 5 minute time frame, 4 hourly time frame up here all the way down to the 50 moving average. 4 hourly closing in 47 minutes. So there's that. Maybe you should wait 47 minutes. I think tomorrow we're gonna wait on the day 3. We're gonna wait until 4 hourly close, because those are like the best times, right? 4 hourly closes. 5 minutes time frame, exactly on the dollar. Resistance. Maybe there will be some kind of dodge. It's gonna help us towards the upside. But if it gets above the yellow line, there is a very good chance it can go all the way up to the top over here. But it needs to get above the yellow line. And right now it's not above the yellow line. Bitcoin still at 5.3. And that FOMC stuff. I mean, we start at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 9:30. I think FOMC meeting is done. Isn't FOMC meeting done? First resistance is our entry point. The second resistance is the yellow line. The third take profits up here. I mean, how hard is to do that? I mean, just a little bit move towards upside. This looks like a bottom. I don't know about you guys. This looks like he wants to drop down. There should be a channel over here. So it was something like this over here. And it goes towards upside. right? Slow moves. I think Bitcoin needs to break that falling wedge towards the upside. I think this falling wedge needs to break towards the upside and go to the moon. But we'll see. It could also do this over here move, which will actually be very bad for us up here and then towards the upside. This is also very, very probable. Best case scenario for us right now is this. I mean, this is only best case scenario for us right now. But this over here would actually be quite bad because then Kaspa might actually drop down. See? Entry point is a resistance. Core CPI 3.4, estimate 3.5. There we go, we are above the entry and now we are below the entry. Well, wasn't that fun, but we managed to break above these highs up here. You see up here, which is actually quite good. What you saying, up or down? Up, up, up. Everybody is bearish, I gotta be bullish, right? When everybody's bearish, I gotta be bullish. And Bitcoin is doing this move up here. You can see up here, you know, Kaspa is reacting to what Bitcoin is doing up here. So this very nice move over here. It needs to break this level up here. Yeah, we bullish. It's a bull market, so we gotta be bullish, right? If it was bear market, you know, it would be, you know, different case, but we bullish right now. There we go, above the yellow line, going to the target profit. Come on, boy. Give Papa the money. 10 bucks. We are up 10 bucks, guys. We are up 10 bucks. We are up 10 bucks. 11 bucks, 11.5, 10.5. Ooh, scary. There we go. Come on, I think it can get up here. I mean, it should get up there. And I'm gonna quit this. I'm gonna quit this trade so fast. If we get, you know, our 10 bucks. Where is the 1%? Sorry, 10%. 10%. You know, 7.24% right now. Come on, man. You can do better than that, man. Come on. Just a little bit more. You're above the 50 moving average up here. 200 moving average on 1 minute all the way up there at 17.396 or something like that. 5 minutes is a little bit up there. I mean, that is definitely probable. Do we have 10%? 9.4%. What is Bitcoin doing? Is Bitcoin doing the move? Oh, Bitcoin is coming to resistance level. Oh, Bitcoin is hitting resistance. Major resistance level. So we need 9.29. I think that's fine. It is bad trade, so you know. Let me see 1 second chart. Can we see 1 second chart over here? Yeah, we're gonna take profit over here. Market. No, wait for it. Now we're gonna take it. I don't care. There we go. 266 bucks. I really don't care if it goes up. I didn't like the entry. You know, it's very volatile, but you know, 2 days in a row, profits, almost 10%. Still going a little bit higher up here, but I was unsure. 266. There we go. We can change stuff. I mean, and Bitcoin is breaking up here. I was a little bit unsure whether it's gonna break or not, and I just wanted to get that, you know, 10%, you know, 2 days in a row, which is actually very, very nice. So where is our book? Trading challenge 12. This was actually 11. because that was yesterday. It was after 12. 12.6 Kaspa long 10x 245 to 266. There we go. And over here there is going to be percentages. Can we do like, you know, long 10x. There we go. So it's nice and clean. 266 bucks. Maybe we can do another trade. I mean, we just been streaming for 1 hour, and I don't know if I'm done or not. So it's good trade, guys. Good trade. I'm feeling good. 2 days in a row, 2 profits. We went from 227 to 266, which is nice. Right now it's continuing towards upside. I don't care. I didn't like the entry that much. It was nice down here. I mean, it was kind of nice, but you know, when you look at it over here, but I just didn't feel good about it. And there's too much volatility right now over here happening. Maybe the line should go a little bit over here higher, something like that. So there's that. I think it's okay. Do we have some other time frames? There's no like 5 seconds time frame or something like that. Do we have 5 seconds time? Let's go CAS USDT Bybit here. 5 seconds. We went long over here somewhere, right? There we go. See the pullback up here. It's scary. And we had to have a mental stop loss all the way through this over here. The thing is, I thought it was going to go towards upside. And I knew it can go a little bit more down and towards upside. So there's fine. That's fine. And, you know, even though it's go higher up here, I really don't care again, because it didn't do immediately what I thought it was supposed to do. If I'd long it over here at the bottom, I think I would have let it go towards upside. But right now I don't. It's recovering a little bit. Anyways, that was nice. Now, since nobody's talking in the chat and there is not a lot of excitement right now, I think we're gonna end the stream over here right now, because I do have some other things I need to do. And we got the trade in, so we did make some money. We got more money that we had yesterday, which is nice. And yeah, it's pulling back. So it's a good thing that we took the profits over there. And tomorrow will be day 3, guys. By the way, guys, if you are not part of our Telegram public TA fans club, you're welcome to join. It's free. Why won't you join free stuff? Hit the like button on the way out, guys. And everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, there's just... Hello, hello. Digital, you missed it, man. You missed the trade. So there is that. We did the trade. The stream is done. We finish. We made our money. We're going on vacation now. We're gonna buy a yacht. Where is our trade? CAS USDT Bybit. 5-minute time frame over here. It's next to mine. This was the trade. This was the long entry. This was take profit target. Just 1% move. I mean, it's nothing. Literally nothing. Just like yesterday, 1% move. We took profit as soon as, you know, it hit, and we got like 20 bucks, 22 bucks or something like that. No, less than that. 18 bucks. So, but like I said, you know, we got more money than we started, so, you know, we cannot complain. It's all good. And I was a little bit unsure about the trades, so, you know, there were, you know, it is small time frame stuff like that. So anyways, come back, guys, to day 3 tomorrow, and maybe we're gonna have 3 in a row. Maybe we're gonna lose all our money. You never know. That's what's so exciting about this. You never know whether you're gonna get liquidated, you're gonna get you know, scammed out, whether this stream is gonna end or not, right? Or maybe, you know, we make $1 million. We'll take any more today. Nah, I'm not feeling actually, you know, there is too much, you know, uncertainty on what's gonna happen. See Bitcoin dump down here big time over here right now. There was expanding musical instrument over here. And it came up to the top up here, and then we closed our trade. And right now it's pulling back big time. But you know, too much excitement. What's your analysis on Bitcoin? To the moon, man, to the moon. Daily up here. Best case scenario for the daily is closing above these levels over here, above these moving averages. See the 10 moving average and 20 moving average. Bullish engulfing candle up here. That's the kind of best case scenario right now. That's gonna close on the daily time frame. So you know, we still need to wait until daily closing. We still got like 4 hours and 33 minutes. On the 4 hour, we still got, you know, this candle plus one more candle after that. So there's a good chance to close a bullish engulfing candle up here above a 69.5. I think that would be like the best case scenario right now. On that said, if you just look at the small time frames over here, it is kind of, you know, consolidating over here towards the bottom over here. Something like this, give or take. Right now it's going inside this capitulation move over here, might be, but might also be this, not this one up here. Maybe I'm just being, you know, overly stupid when I think this is some kind of expanding musical instrument, but I don't think it is. Anyways, when it comes right now to Bitcoin, yes, I'm very bullish. I've been bullish for a long time, like long term, like very, very bullish. That said, just short term, I think it needs to, you know, best case scenario right now is closing up here above 69.5. I'm saying this is best case scenario because I don't see, you know, I'm not thinking that this is gonna, for whatever reason, you know, go all the way down or anything like that. I don't see that, but I'm just looking to see if the, you know, today is going to close above 69.5. I think that is going to be the most bullish thing that can actually happen with Bitcoin right now, above 69.5. But you know, all of this, you know, FOMC meeting, interest rate cuts, hikes, this and that, you know, people are trading this, so we got too much volatility. Nobody knows what's happening, and you know. And if you see this part over here, this is 8 o'clock. This is when the stuff started. Actually, it's the stuff started over here. A big pump up here on the interest rate, so we know that's bullish. Down here, you know, right now it's going inside this channel up here. I think this is gonna go towards upside. I think it is gonna go towards upside before the night is done. So you know, this looks like an exhaustion pattern to me. Just trying to exhaust these you know, short positions, long positions, and then something's gonna happen and it's gonna go up. But I think it's gonna go towards upside. But you know, that's me. God, I miss the long hair. You look like a woke Viking now. 100%. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Day 3 tomorrow. Hit the like on the way out, and you know, join our Telegram chat, guys. It's public, it's free. Why won't you take free stuff? I'm giving you free stuff. I'll see you around, guys. Bye bye. Take care.